Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this week's video, I'm having another special guest. So her name is Shania Septiana. She's actually a professional makeup artist and I am so excited to have her in this week's video. And as you can see from the title that today's video is actually another beauty story episode. And actually, she's my cousin's girlfriend, which is like at the back right now. Yeah, that. So for you guys who want to like contact her, be sure to go check her Instagram. It will be right here and I'll link it down below, so be sure to go check them out. And for today's video is another makeup tutorial by her. So I've taken off my glasses and tied my hair and clipped it, and now she's going to clean my face. And if you know from my previous video, I can see things. So yeah. Next, she's going to use this Affian spray first. Wow! Setting spray. Highlighter, yay! Eyelash, fake eyelash. So here's a tip, guys. So when you use lashes, after you put the glue, don't right away stick it to your eyes, but make it half dry first, then use it. She have applied both of the lashes in both of my eyes. Wow, I look different, right? We're going to use a liquid eyeshadow right now. So now it's the eyebrow. Triple.
Gel polish.
Cream.
Lip cream.
Gloss.
Gloss. So I'm done with the makeup. Yay! I definitely look way different. It's not like me. So guys, this is the final look for the makeup. Thank you Chip for like featuring in my video, and I'm super thankful that she wants to collaborate with me, and I think that this makeup is super gorgeous because it made me look like a different person. 2 thumbs up. And if you guys want to contact her, make sure to go check out her Instagram. You can get like makeup class, like private class, and also for like makeup inquiries you can just like directly contact her through her Instagram. So that's it for this week's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what do you guys think of this makeup, as well as what other beauty story episodes you want to see in my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!